rainy day.
You know, it's strange.
What?
And here I am, a good Englishman. I come from a good family.
I don't follow you.
I'm talking about who we are. I'm talking about the soul. I'm talking about nature.
So?
I mean, you speak a lot of languages now. But when you think in Italian.
I think as little as possible.
Yeah, but even you have an identity.
Not necessarily.
But that's what I'm talking about. I've lost mine. You know, sometimes I even think in Hungarian. You know, we're not that different, you and I. I've seen it in you. Sometimes I wonder how I'd react if I had to kill you.
You always make the right decisions.
That's not true, you know.
I'll be waiting for your call.